brick people. Today we're gonna be taking a look at a mock that I built yesterday. Let's jump right into this. Before we start, I just want to say that on the average video, there's about 5 comments. What's going on? We have 100 subscribers, people. Just leave a comment, but let's get right into the video. Over here, we have our resistance who are defending this town. And our first order who are obviously invading the town, because you know that's what the first order does.
Oh yeah.
So over here we have some nice curved stairs and some first order people that are going to join the battle. We have a building over there and nothing too fancy. We have a nice detailed archway with a crack running through the pillar with some wreck exposed. And here are the slideshow of pictures. Mock. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.